Hello to everybody. I wish all of you a happy and prosperous year of 2022. Today we are going to talk about 9 things you should do to make money in this year. You're probably thinking of how you can improve your financial situation in this year, and you are right, because 2022 is a year of making money by any means. What are those 9 things you should do to make money in 2022? Well, in this video, we will show you how you can achieve financial stability in 2022 by practicing the following 9 business ideas. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and let's get straight into the video. The first thing to do is to start dropshipping business. Dropshipping is usually a method in which someone or a retailer can start selling products that he purchases from suppliers, wholesalers, or another retailer, and once the customer places an order and pays, the supplier will ship the product directly to the customer. This business model is very efficient because it doesn't require a business to have stock for the product that is being displayed on the selling platform. This is opposed to the traditional e-commerce store, whereby it is required to have a physical store and employees to be able to run the business. The dropshipping business comes with many advantages, such as anyone with a small capital can start making money selling online. It doesn't need to rent a warehouse because the supplier is the one that stores the products. It doesn't need to have a team of people to do the job or to have so much money to invest in shipping technology. It helps the owner of the business to build a brand. All you have to do is to create a website and upload pictures of the products you are selling as well as prices. Then customers will come to your website and pay for the product they like, and the supplier will ship the product directly to customers. Here are some dropshipping websites you can refer to: Inspire Uplift, Mio Ringtones, Higo, Trendy Goods. Number 2, start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a great move because it helps a YouTuber to make money while doing something that he or she likes. YouTube helps people to gain exposure online and share the content to the world and positively impact the audience. It requires having a great content that people will see, like, and share. Here are some steps to set up your YouTube channel and start uploading more videos. Sign into YouTube and click on the user icon at the right top of the screen. Click on the gear icon to get to your account's YouTube settings. Click on Create a New Channel. Then choose Use a Business or Other Name. Add your brand name and click Create. If you don't yet have a name, you can create a new one with the YouTube name generator. Number 3, create an online course. Creating an online course is one of the fastest and most impactful ways someone can use to make a lot of money online. This is just a way of getting your knowledge and thoughts and exposing them to the global marketplace, and this can make a huge impact in changing people's lives. The following are the stages of online course creation. Number 1, pick the perfect course. The topic of your course should be something you love or passionate about. Then you have to ensure your course idea has a high market demand. You should do a market research to know if the topic chosen has a high market demand or not. Then you will have to create a magnetic and compelling learning outcomes. Your online course should ensure that students will gain new skills that will benefit from. Then you will have to select and gather your course content. In this phase, you need to create content that answers your client problems. Then you have to do the structure of your modules and course plan. This is how you put your content into modules so that it forms a flowing sequence of lessons. Determining the most engaging and effective delivery methods for each lesson. This is the best way to deliver your content. You will choose either to deliver your content through videos, reading, or audio. Then you will have to do the filming, recording, and editing of your online course. This is the production phase whereby filming and recording and editing are in play. Then you have to set up your online school. This is the process of choosing a place to sell your online course. You can either choose to sell your course on the marketplace or on learning management systems. Then you will have to do the pricing of your course. Then you will choose how to price your online content. Note that there are many ways to price your content, such as through membership or access to a community. Then you will have to launch and an ongoing marketing. This is the final stage whereby you will need to do a lot of marketing so that customers can purchase your online course. Number 4, become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is a way of providing remote administrative and technical services to businesses. There are a number of tasks that a virtual assistant might perform. Here are some: answer, monitor, and organize emails, answer calls, calls, prepare reports, letters and statements, make appointments, manage spreadsheets, data entry, make travel arrangements, order supplies and email marketing. Here are steps to become a virtual assistant. You have to identify your skills. You need to determine which skills you have which can be of benefit to the business that will hire you. The main skills you need to have are as follows: computer proficiency, communication, editorial, organization, and time management skills. Then you'll have to decide on what service and your pricing structure. You'll have to determine what services you can give to potential clients and how you can charge them. It can be hourly, weekly, or per task performed. You will need equipment such as phone, computer, or any other equipment in order to perform your task effectively. You will also need to do the search for a job through different sites related to virtual assistant jobs. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which companies pay other people, for example, influencers or bloggers, to advertise their product and services and generate sales. In return, they earn commission from those sales. Influencers or affiliates promote companies' products and services from their website or social media so that they can generate leads or sales on behalf of companies. Here are ways of get started with affiliate marketing. First, you need to find an affiliate program or a network that you're interested in, and also take a look at types of products and services as well as the payment methods and commission they offer. Secondly, you should sign up with those affiliate platforms and get started promoting products and services. Here are some affiliate platforms to consider: ClickBank, Digistore24. Steps on how you go with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers show an ad or a link for a product or a store on your website or blog or a social media. Then client clicks the ad or the link. After clicking the link, the client is sent to the store through the tracking link, and then the client makes a purchase on a store. Then the affiliate network records this purchase and details of the transaction. Then the client will be sent to the store through the tracking link. The transaction will be credited. Then the affiliate marketer gets paid the commission. Number 6, earn money as an Airbnb host. Airbnb is an app or an online platform that lets any person wishing to host guests for stays at his or her home or apartment or any other space to make money by hosting and taking care of them. It is a community based whereby guests and hosts can review each other. This helps hosts to have nice reviews to get so many guests in future, and it also helping guests to be reviewed according to how they have been using amenities of host properties and recommend them to other properties. To start making money on, you will need the following: you must at least have one room to rent out. You have also to register yourself on Airbnb platform and choose to be a host. You'll have to provide information on the rental such as location, number of rooms and features. You'll have also to upload nice photos that can attract guests. You'll have to add rules regulating your house. Then you will have also to choose a price plan. Then you will also have to review your local laws about renters once your property is set on the Airbnb platform. Then what you will do is to check how your property is doing against your competitors and play around the price for your room so that you can attract guests. The good thing with Airbnb is that it is easy to scale it and have so many properties and make more money. Number 7, make money by investing across all markets. Investing money is very important. However, when it is done responsibly, it can grow your income. There are so many ways you can invest your money in 2022. Here are some places where you can invest your money in 2022. You can invest in high yield savings accounts. You can invest in money market fund. You can invest your money in government bonds. You can invest your money in mutual fund. You can invest your money in dividend stocks, and you can invest your money in real estate. Number 8, make money by delivering products to clients. Nowadays, the need for delivery service is very high due to the fact that many people are busy looking for money in different ways. This makes the delivery service become more and more important. Here is how you can make money with delivery services. Use the following apps to start delivering products to the clients. For example, you can use DoorDash, you can use Instacart, you can use Postmate, or you can use Shipt. Lastly, you can use Uber Eats. The above apps helps people to make money on each and every delivery of different products that the clients order. Number 9, make money with your washing machine. Washing machine is simply a tool that can help you make some good money if you could go around your neighborhood and interest people to wash and iron their clothes. Here is how you can get started with this business. You have to create your website and show your client what are services and charges for washing and iron clothes. Pick up clothes from clients near you and wash, iron and deliver them to the clients. Remember to subscribe for more videos like this, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.